Okay guys, next build's the energy centre for the Ethanol Plant series. So this is the one I will build. So in the box we have some decals and then instructions. Now the parts are obviously the tanks, more tanks, and more tanks in part of the building. Just like the base. More for the building. Looks like the roof, I'd say. And more buildings. Building, I should say. And that's the end. So we'll build that one and we'll see what happens. Okay guys, now the first part is gluing the bases together. It's just like a jigsaw puzzle. As you can see, they'll all just slot into each little hole spot. So we'll glue that one. And that's it for the base, so I'll let that dry and we'll come back to it. Okay guys, this is part of the conveyor. This part, I've just got to glue these together like so. And then the top of this on the conveyor goes into the groove, which will slide through the door. So this will go like so. so I'll let that dry. Okay guys, now I'm going to put the building together. And on these builds also you get the groove, which goes to the joins onto the base, but I'm going to actually put the buildings together before I put it on the base, because it locks in. So this front will go on this side. I'm just going to wait for this one to dry. Okay guys, I'm going to glue this side. So I'll let that one dry. Now I'm going to put the front on, guys. Now I'll let it completely dry, guys. Okay guys, I'm going to glue it onto the base now. Now the shed will go on the outside of this groove. I'll let that dry as well. Okay guys, I'm going to join the roof together now. this part will join like so. So I'll let that dry. Okay guys, next part is gluing the pit walls, but I've got to paint them first, so I'm going to paint these. Also I'm going to paint the big shed, the base, and the trusses, and obviously the sideboard, which sits on top of the pit. So this obviously goes like so. So I'll go ahead and paint that, and also I will paint the roof. So I'll go ahead and paint that and come back. Okay guys, back on the more of the build. Now this time I've got to glue the roof pipe together, which is this one, which goes on top of the roof. And I've also cut out my vents, which I've just got to paint. The down pipes, which I've got to paint. And the stack, which I've just got to obviously glue. That way I can paint all these. Put them on the shed. So I'll go ahead and paint all that. Okay guys, I'm about to glue the tanks now. There's 5 tanks altogether. These also have holes in them, so you can join them up. And little pins to go in the holes. Like so. So I'll go ahead and finish them all. And also guys, they have lids. So I'll finish the rest off. Okay guys, the energy centre's now completed. Just except for piping that will go from one building to another. I'll do that when I put it on the layout. And I'll do some more weathering, especially on the air vents up the top, the door. So all the weathering will be done at a later stage. I'll just move it around. The only thing I've weathered is the platforms for the tanks and inside the little shed. And these tanks just come apart or arc join onto it, so they can go wherever you want to put them. So I'll call that one a wrap on this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers guys.